Hello friends, today is 27th of March 2025 and today daily law is the power of peak experiences. There is a quote there is a quote from the psychologist Abraham Maslow in which he says the person in peak experiences feels himself more than other times to be the responsible, active, creating center of his activities and of his perceptions. He feels more like a prime mover, more self determined rather than caused, determined, helpless, dependent, passive, weak, bossed. He feels himself to be his own boss, fully responsible, fully volitional, with more free will than at the other times, master of his fate and agent. In this chapter, the author says, perhaps the greatest difficulty you will face in maintaining a high and consistent sense of purpose is the level of commitment that is required over time and the sacrifices that go with this. You have to handle many moments of frustration, boredom, and failure, and the endless temptation in our culture for more immediate pleasures. Benefits are often not immediate apparent. Benefits are often not immediately apparent, and as the years pile up, you can face burnout. To offset this tedium, you need to have moments of flow in which your mind becomes so deeply immersed in the work that you are transported beyond your ego. You experience feelings of profound calmness and joy. The psychologist Abraham Maslow called these peak experiences. Once you have them, you are forever changed. You will feel the compulsion to you will feel the compulsion to repeat them. The more immediate pleasures our world offers will pale in comparison. And when you feel rewarded for your dedication and sacrifices, your sense of purpose will be intensified. Daily law. Get into a flow state today. Rid yourself to the distractions and cheap pleasures. Lose yourself